So we were there at the roundabout.
Yeah.
And you were turning right.
Yeah.
Second exit.
Yeah.
Who do we give way on the roundabout? Traffic coming from your
right, and now we're hesitating to the left.
How many times did you look to your left?
Too many.
Why?
I don't know.
So what you should have done, you went over there, you stopped because it was a closed view.
Yeah.
Then what you should have done, lean your body forward to have a better view.
And if no one was
If
there,
nobody's coming, just before you go, for the sake of the safety, glance one to the left and they will go.
Yeah.
And you can go. But the thing is, don't you realize that nobody was moving from there?
Yeah, they were waiting for me to go.
They're waiting and you were hesitating. So in your exam, obviously depending on the different scenarios, how many times you have done previously, it could be a minor, it could be serious, but we shouldn't be hesitating. You need to know what your priority is.
Yeah.
So if you have got 4 exits and if you're turning right, then you have to look your right and ahead as well. So do you understand that mistake as well?
Yeah.
And obviously